beg, what do they come do? You what do they come do today?
They can't do Eba.
Eba. Then waiting. Kobe this. Any kako? What a kako day?
Kako day.
Oh Allah.
Kobe. What else? Egg good day.
Egg good day.
This thing good day. Salmon good day.
Oh Allah. Of course, thank you. It's just boys level, all right? There's a host of peppers, different peppers and onions, and I think this is a cucumber with some extra peppers and onions and tomatoes. You know what time it is? We about to grind. And then we have here salted fish or salted tilapia, all right? Kobe. Y'all know it's about to go down. And y'all forgive me for my voice because I've been screaming and all that, so I've lost my voice a bit. Y'all forgive me for that. What's the name?
The benefits of this pepper.
I beg, tell me.
Check it online.
You just tell me one pair.
Check it online.
Tell me one pair.
It will peel your veins if your veins be very weak. And this if you chew them raw.
Oh, for real? No. If you say if you chew them raw, I believe you because I have seen other YouTubers.
Yes.
Where did they chew them raw?
No, this one once.
Yeah, they chew them raw.
So you better.
They chew them raw.
Yeah.
And I always the one that say why.
Oh, you're one of the best.
Thank you. This one that now I learn. So you see that thing I learn from you. Good.
The health benefits be serious health benefits.
You heard that? A lot of health benefits.
So we will blend some again and mix up.
Yeah, we'll blend bit by bit.
Yeah.
So they can also be that. Shy.
Okay.
It makes simple give me. So they add the cocoa and the Kobe. Okay.
Can you smell it?
I can smell it. Yeah, I can smell it. I can smell it. Thank you. I can smell it. It's spicy. Oh, wow. So this one be what?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Very
Sprinkle a little bit of olive oil. Healthy. So while we was cooking, right? This was air frying. That is a mackerel. You don't know what time it is. So it means the truth, it don't be that. You see what it?
We'll use the water to the
So the water for the with the Kobe and the kako.
Yeah, we need some do the eba.
We go take the same water to the eba.
You already get salt.
So we'll get all the flavor from the Kobe and our bowls again. So what he's saying is that the stock from steaming the Kobe and the and the kako, we're gonna use that same stock for the eba. Now here comes the vegetables. You know what time it is. So Abele, if somebody want make you cook this thing for him, how much you go charge that person? How much? How much you go charge that person? How much you go charge that person?
Your feeling will be nice, trust me.
If you want to cook, you want him to cook this for you, just inbox me. All right. So he's taking out a stock. Now we about to begin with a eba.
Thursday's market day for Anya market. So that's when then I was even thinking of doing something. I was like, hey, and I ain't yet. Okra and
you're
like, okay, cool. Let me just do this.
Abua.
Okay.
There you go. Abos again. So we actually making this eba with a stock from cooking the salted fish. That's the Kobe and the kako. You know it's gonna be packed with flavors. So yeah, your wife.
Are you working at a casino? Wow, where to go? Where to go?
For sorry, mama, papa.
Wow, where to go? What are you working at a casino?
No, I won't make it check the menu. They chew and roll. Some people they chew and roll. Them a house of economy. Okay, mama hang it. Okay, if you're near they are dining. No, it's you have to be now.
Sorry, I don't know where the nobody has to come.
No, just put the eggs.